Suspension system. It is an uncomfortable experience traveling in an automobile on a bad road. The bumps and dips on the road give rise to jerks on the automobile. It will be nice to travel on a perfectly level road free from dips and bumps. But even the best road don't have a perfectly level surface. Every road has some kind of irregularity. Due to this reason, it has become the duty of the automobile to reduce or eliminate these road shocks so that the passenger has a comfortable journey. The system of automobile that performs this duty is called the suspension system. The automobile suspension system absorbs the road shocks and prevents them from reaching the passenger. In addition to that, the suspension system ensures the stability of the vehicle while taking a turn or braking. The basic component of a suspension system is a spring and a damper. We connect the spring between the wheel and the vehicle frame. When the wheel experiences a road shock, the spring vibrates. This vibration will continue for some time, which is not desirable. So to assist quick damping of vibration, we use a shock absorber or a damper along with the spring. The shock absorber retards the motion of spring, so vibration die down quickly. There are different types of spring being used. One is the leaf spring, and it is commonly used in old generation vehicles. It can be used without a separate damper. Modern type of spring used is a helical or a spiral spring. It is used along with a separate damper. The damper or shock absorber is actually a piston cylinder arrangement with some oil inside it. A suspension system has some other functions such as locate the wheel while allowing them to move vertically when hitting bumps and dips, preserve stability of the vehicle during the motion, maintain contact between the road wheels and road surface, provide an acceptable ride comfort by absorbing the road shocks and vibration, distribution of weight of vehicle between the wheels, resist the effect of braking, acceleration and steering. The suspension system are grouped into two types: conventional suspension system and independent suspension system. Conventional suspension. Conventional suspension system is any suspension system where the vertical movement of one wheel affects the opposite wheel on the same axle. When one wheel moves up or down, the other wheel has some movement, so the ride comfort of the vehicle is badly affected. The most common example is leaf spring suspension. It is commonly found in buses and trucks where the load capacity is very high. Independent suspension system. Independent suspension system is any suspension system which permit the vertical movement of one wheel independent of the movement of the other wheel on the same axle. Such a system offers better ride comfort as the vertical movement of one wheel has a little effect on the overall movement of the vehicle. Any coil spring type suspension such as double wishbone suspension can state it as an example. This type of suspension system is used in most of the passenger cars.